We are at one of the newest YMCAs, La Central, in the heart of the South Bronx, celebrating Black maternal health in honor of Black History Month.
So bringing people together, bringing resources together to help the mother through the journey, it's very important.
I think for us in the Bronx, we have such a high burden of infant mortality, maternal mortality, and poor health outcomes despite the level of service that we have. So there are some myths that exist. There are certain barriers and challenges that exist, but we want families to know that we are here to serve.
We have a panel of experts and OBGYNs. I'm on that panel as well, just providing a better understanding of how to navigate the pregnancy experience. What does quality care look like? How can you advocate for yourself? And what resources can you surround yourself with to ensure that you're getting the best outcomes for you and your family?
I think FaceTime is important. Sometimes there's just so much information on the internet to have, the people that are the experts in front of you to ask them questions in real time. That's invaluable.
It's not just a medical experience. It's a life-changing experience for you. You have a new baby that you're taking care of and you've never had a baby before.
We just want to be able to provide some emotional support. There's no such thing as perfect parents, but empowered parents. And within that, you have the necessary tools to be the best role models you can be for your children.
And I have to say the panel was very informative. We can see the point of view of many healthcare providers.
Having somebody that you can come to navigate this very overwhelming space of being pregnant and being like, what's normal? Is this okay? And we're able to recognize what is and what isn't and when you should call your provider.
Because I think learning about what goes wrong is really important to making things go right.
We heard a little bit from everyone in different ways. Even I didn't even know we can be helped. Like the date night they were talking about, I was like, oh, that's really nice. We can look into that.
So it's important for expecting parents to come to events like this because, one, they'll get information, but also they get the free goodies that you don't have to come out of pocket with. But they're going to realize that just the basic needs are expensive, and this type of events brings those free resources to us. And so I'm grateful. I've utilized spaces like this when I was having my son.
We also had a maternal photographer here, Jessie Marrero. The first 20 moms that registered for our event were catered to a celebrity photo shoot.
Every mom in the room was a first-time mom. This was their first pregnancy, and they were connected to so many services and resources that they're excited to go back to their community and pass on the word. So that was really special.
Thank you so much for everyone that came together to put the panel together, all the refreshments and the food. I think it was very thoughtful. And I'm just really grateful that something like this exists.
Meeting with somebody that actually knows all the information there to tell you physically is very important.
Yes, thanks, Monty, for having it here, having it in the Bronx, having it easily accessible for us to come and get all this great information.